Good afternoon, children, and welcome back again. Yesterday I have explained you one page of first lesson, the camel and the trader. Today I am going to finish this lesson. So we will move on to the next page and I will read this page. After some time, "Oh, master, I am freezing out here. Please let me put my shoulders in." "Well, you may. I will make room for you." After some time, what happens? Again the camel, he is asking permission to his master. "Let me put my shoulders in." Previously, the camel, he asked permission to put his head. Then again he asked to put his shoulders in. Here the trader was very kind. He said, "Yes, I will make room for you." Then again after some time, "Master, master, I am feeling very cold. Please let me put half my body in." Now again the camel, he is asking permission to put half of his body inside the tent. Why? Because it was very cold outside. The trader was confused. "Oh, well." Again he granted the permission to put half of his body inside the tent. "Please, master, please." Again the camel was requesting the trader. "Oh, well, you can." After an hour, "Master, let me come into the tent. I cannot bear the cold." Now what did the camel do? After an hour, it was unbearable cold outside the tent. So the camel again requested his master to please come into the tent. Now the trader was again confused. "But where will I go? If you come inside the tent, where will I go?" The camel pushes his master out. Camel said, "Outside." What did the camel do? The camel, he pushed his master outside the tent and he sat beside the fire inside the tent. What does this show? Was the camel very kind? No. The camel's behavior was not good, and what he did was not right. He was not supposed to push his master outside the tent as it was very cold outside. But how was the trader's behavior? The trader was very kind. Every time he asked for the permission, he granted his permission. So this lesson is completed.